What's up, y'all? What day is that? It's Tuesday, April the 7th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. You know, I feel like things are pretty much normal these days. Let's go ahead. I don't feel like doing a lot of playing around. It is 2:19, so the market closes in an hour, and I'm looking to only spend about 30 minutes with it. So let's go check it out. All right, now let's check out that daily chart. Man, it pulled way up here. It's trying to make a reversal bar back down, but those BPs are strong up. There we go. Are you gonna come back for me, reversal bar? No. Just a little bit further. Let's turn these off. Right behind here, it's getting closer and closer. I'm hitting close. Ooh, may have been a little early on that close. Yep, just a little. Well, it's 15 minutes. I don't even know. Let's check this out. Let's see how that one turned out. 8 1/4, one trade. I'll take it. Let's put it on here. And you can look here. There's nothing else today. I've been busy girl this morning. This was yesterday. Let's turn that part off. It feels like, you know, when I look at it on the 1597, yesterday was what, like an hour, but it looks like it's like 5 minutes of trading. It just looks so small and insignificant, but really, I mean, this is just one quick trade, and it was 8 1/4 points. So I'm not going to complain. I have been trying to get to trading all day, and there's been just a lot standing in the way. I actually need to leave the house. I know we're not supposed to go anywhere. I get it, I know, but I gotta go get the mailbox key for my new mailbox. I feel like this is choppy. Tomorrow, everybody in the family is going to be here, so I don't know how that's going to go. I've got a lot of stuff that I'm doing in the back end, especially with UProfit Trader. I know a lot of you are familiar with UProfit Trader these days. We're really working hard to make sure that we are giving the absolute best customer service there is out there, which means that we're pretty much working around the clock with it. And you know, today's card kind of goes with it. Don't let the fear of losing outweigh the excitement of winning. So, you know, with things like UProfit Trader, you let us fund you. So you'll go through the testing, make sure that you are a responsible trader in whichever way you choose to trade, because you don't have to trade just like me to be responsible. But sticking to your rules, having reason behind the rules, not just making up rules because, you know, it seemed like the thing to do, but having real respectable rules that you stick to that allow you to have consistent profits. And if that's something that you do and you're struggling to figure out how you're going to get funded for this kind of thing, hit us up, guys. uprofittrader.com. And if you are looking to learn, responsibledaytrading.com. So either one can put you on the right path, y'all. But that's going to wrap it up. Yeah. So remember, don't let the fear of losing outweigh the excitement of winning, because, man, it is a game changer when you let that fear go and you just tell yourself that it's okay. You just got to breathe, move through it, and be ready for the next one, right? Especially in a time like what we have going on right now. I mean, we're really working to find ways to help people as much as possible, but we do have a discount going on over there right now, 25% discount whenever you join that. So that's going to wrap it up. It's a 19-minute video. What? 5 minutes and I was really done with my trading. And I knew once I took that first trade, I'm like, you know what? I'm probably not going to take anymore. So What can I say? All right, we're going to wrap it up, guys. Hope everybody has a fabulous Tuesday. Please stay safe. Much love to you and your family. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.